by the grace of God, I emerged as the overall best in my setting, along with 2 other awards. My secret.
Congratulations, Abigail. Congratulations, Abigail.
It's another proud moment for us, where we witness the outcome of ambition, endurance, and continuous growth. And when outstanding performance keeps showing up year after year, cohort after cohort, you begin to recognize something truly exceptional.
I'm Abigail Kujo, a proud student of MSL Business School.
Hi, my name is Princess Akua Agbesi, and I'm a lawyer and now a chartered tax consultant.
Hello everyone, my name is Eric Ofosu, a proud student of MSL Business School and the award receiver for Paper 10, Strategic Tax Planning.
I was introduced to MSL by my mentor, and would you believe if I tell you that I was the first scholarship recipient for the MSL scholarship for ICAG students. I began my MSL journey during my level 3 papers in ICAG, and by the grace of God, I emerged as the overall best in my setting, along with 2 other awards.
I joined MSL Business School's first cohort in 2023, and it was an experience shaped by excellence. My favorite thing about MSL is the commitment to excellence. They make sure that students really reach their full potential.
I've been with MSL for 2 years, and one thing I like about their school is how they continuously improve their learning platform. Here at MSL, continuous improvement to the student learning platform makes the whole learning experience modern, seamless, and convenient to our students.
My secret? Okay, I would say a combination of factors actually. The grace of God and then His mercies. Then a supportive family. I have quite a supportive family and a small circle. Then MSL Business School and my excellent teaching provider. They have been very instrumental in both of my journeys, becoming a chartered accountant and becoming a chartered tax practitioner. Then finally, I would say myself, dedication, commitment, all these contributed to where I am today as I graduate as the overall best student for February 2026, right?
I'll definitely recommend this school to everyone who is taking the CIT exams, from the tech, AI support, and 24/7 support provided by the staff. I believe this is the exact place to nurture your tax career.
Here at MSL, you are going to pass your papers faster, you will learn smarter, and achieve more. Thank you.
You begin to recognize something truly exceptional. Seeing our students evolve through mentorship, technology, strategy, innovation, and community has always been at the heart of what we do. And the beautiful part, the experience grows with you.
My name is Nanaya Safokwache. I'm a legal practitioner.
My name is Alimatu Ibrahim, and I'm a student of MSL.
I took the Chartered Institute of Taxation course without any accounting background. One thing I want to say about MSL is that MSL really helped me to understand the principles. I was able to get a really in-depth understanding. Everything was simplified and broken down. It wasn't overwhelming.
The dynamic nature of the tuition made studying more engaging and very adaptable. For me, I recommend MSL Business School to everyone pursuing professional excellence.
Aside the academics, there is a way that you are encouraged. It teaches you that you're not just in the course or writing the course to pass, you are going to excel. And that's one thing I would just give to MSL.
When I went to MSL Business School, I was very, very successful. I recommend MSL Business School to every student who wants to achieve academic excellence.
The MSL Business app was a game changer in my studies, as it gave me all the resources I needed at one place. I could watch videos, I had the MSL AI that I could ask questions. This whole process was very important and it helped me in my studies. I believe that MSL Business School is the best place for everyone. Support and join now. You will thank me later.
Kindly join MSL Business School. That will help shape your confidence and then equip you with the right mindset to try beyond examination. Anyone looking to start ICAG journey, CITG or SEMA, and you're looking for quality tuition center, I would recommend none than MSL Business School. At MSL Business School, quality is assured. You shouldn't worry about your work schedule. There is flexibility and there is a structure in place where you have access to an app to help your studies. Aside that, there is also the opportunity for you to discuss with your group members on a platform in the inbuilt app where knowledge can be shared. All this will contribute to you excelling and becoming the next best person this tuition center would ever produce. MSL Business School, welcome to excellence, welcome to world class. Thank you.
At MSL Business School, the vision was never just one milestone, it was the entire journey. MSL Business School, where excellence feels at home. MSL Business School, where world-class standards truly belong.